Hey there, it's Melissa with Big Universe Music, and this is your guitar lesson on how to play the traditional song, I'll Fly Away. Grab your guitar and let's get started. The first thing we need to know are the chords that happen in the song, I'll Fly Away. They are the C chord, F chord, and the G chord. This is the C chord, F chord, and the G chord. For our strumming pattern, we're going to use something called the boom chick, meaning you're going to play a lower single string and then strum the upper strings all together. That sounds like this. You can increase the difficulty by changing the lower strings or the root of each chord. So you're alternating between what we call the root and the fifth of the chord to make alternating bass sound. To find that on the F chord, you do have to use a bar. So you'll bar the first fret, go back and forth between the 5th and the 6th string. For the G chord, you'll use the 6th and the 4th string. The song's gonna start on the C chord for the first verse. Some bright when this life is over. And then we can go to the F chord either by walking. To walk, I'm playing these notes. Or just by going straight to the F chord. I'll fly away. Back to C there. Now again, you could walk back down from the F chord to the C chord, or you could just land straight on the C chord from the F. So here's what we have so far. Some bright morning, when this life is over, I'll fly away. And then we repeat that pattern again. To a land on God's celestial shore. But we'll stay on C here for I'll, then down to G, fly away. And here's our chorus. Support your voice for I'll fly away. Oh glory, F, I'll fly away in the morning when I die. Hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Repeat that for all the rest of the verses of I'll Fly Away. Have fun practicing, and I'll see you later.